afternoon, sir.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
Real good.
Welcome to the Indian Wells Tennis Garden.
Thanks. Keep it close, would you please?
Sure thing. And be generous with your spending, okay? And no tip? Thank you. Hello, sir. Welcome again.
Thanks. You can move quick.
Yes, well, that's the service of the Indian Wells Tennis Garden. Enjoy your day.
Thanks a lot. Excuse me. You know where I can find some great tennis players around here?
They're everywhere. You can look around.
All right, thanks. Excuse me, I'm looking to get close to some great tennis. Can you help me out?
Well, that shouldn't be a problem. Try stadium too.
Excuse me, guys, I'm hungry. Excuse me. Hey, I'll take a popcorn, please. Oh, sorry, guys, I only need one. Thanks. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Hey, have you seen any of the big-name tennis players out here today?
Yeah, I've seen quite a few.
Yeah, I hear you can get really close to all the really big stars out here.
Yeah, you can get pretty close.
Want some popcorn?
Sure.